Do you remember the last time you read a book, or you read newspaper, or you read articles in the newspaper, or you read a magazine? Do you remember in the last week or in the last 30 days? But what about the social media? Do you use it within the last a couple of hours, or you are watching this video, you are still on the social media? Do you get this thing? This is how the things are changed. There was a time when people read newspaper daily, or maybe a lot of time they read different newspapers in a day. But now the things are changed. Everyone use social media. If this is the very simple question, if I ask you what was the last time you see a reel, or how many reels do you watch a day, the answer will be in couple of hours. Okay, you watch the reels or you watch the stuff in just a couple of hours. So this is how the social media is growing. And if you are in the business and you are not in the social media, then what are you doing, man? Because you have to be on social media if you want to grow. Now you don't want to spend a lot of dollars or a lot of money on buying the newspaper, or doing their ads or stuff on magazines, but you have free social media, you have free Instagram, free YouTube. So this is just, I want to tell you about, this is how the things are changed.